Hello friends, welcome to back my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today I am sharing some beautiful and stylish baby frock designs for little girls. These frocks are very cute and perfect for babies and young kids. You can see different styles of baby frocks in this video. Some designs are simple and some are very stylish. These frocks are perfect for many events like birthday parties, family events, Eid and daily wear. Kids can wear these dresses and look very beautiful. If you like making dresses at home, this video can give you new ideas and inspiration. This frocks looks very pretty and comfortable for kids. Baby frocks are always a lovely choice for little girls. They make baby look more cute and adorable. Many mothers like to stitch these frocks at home or choose similar designs from the market. In this video, you can see different colors and beautiful styles. Some frocks have soft and light colors and some have bright colors. Every design looks unique and special. You can choose your favorite design and try something similar for your baby. Some frocks have a simple look and some have a more stylish and fancy look, but all these baby frocks are very lovely and attractive. Some of these designs already have tutorials on my YouTube channel. You can visit my channel to watch them. If you want a tutorial for any design, please tell me in comments. I will try to make a tutorial for you. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.